Hello and welcome to this video where we look at the feed widgets in NewsWhip Spike. We'll review what they are and how to use them. All widgets are added to a dashboard and display results based on your search. The feed widgets are web articles, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, and YouTube. Let's take a look at them. The Web Articles widget will be displayed in an expanded state by default when creating a new dashboard or search. I'll create a simple search that will give us a lot of results as an example. Let's go with Musk, as I know he's been up to a few things this week, as usual. So NewsWhip Spike currently tracks over 535,000 websites. This includes sites with a metered or soft paywall. We can't guarantee full tracking for sites with a hard paywall that require an immediate login, unfortunately. I imagine you'll find yourself including the Web Articles widget in most, if not all, of your dashboards. It comes as a default widget in all of our own templates. The results can be filtered by all articles or articles with video, if that's a priority for you. Here we can see Elon Musk wants some more funding from the US government, and also he's selling some perfume to help fund his purchase of Twitter. I'll save this search and minimize the web article widget for some more room. Next, as you can see, I can easily add additional widgets here. Now we cover over 230,000 Facebook pages. And remember, this is real-time data with new posts being available within 60 seconds. These can be filtered into all these forms from video to image to status, and you can click to watch the videos if you wish. Next is Twitter. We track over 280,000 accounts with 65% of those being verified. Again, these can be filtered by tweets containing videos, images, links, or just text. Moving along quickly, we have Instagram. We track over 20,000 accounts with a mixture of brands and influencers. These can be filtered by images, videos, carousel, and the recently added Reels. Next is Reddit. NewsWhip has a partnership with Reddit, so we have access to all subreddits and posts. Again, these can be filtered by media type. Lastly, we have YouTube, where we track nearly 40,000 channels. Now, all of these feed widgets can be added to a dashboard if desired. You will also know what type of data you want results on, which might help you select. For example, Facebook still has by far the most interactions and engagement. It can be useful for daily or even weekly snapshots of stories and sentiments for particular demographics, shall we say. Twitter is still incredibly powerful for breaking news and events. It also has high engagement from verified accounts, whether media or experts. Instagram might be slightly waning recently, but it's still a leader for brands or influencers. Reddit can be looked at in real time for early indications on public perception. I believe there's nearly 1.5 billion registered users with millions of active daily users of a somewhat younger demographic. And often viral stories or trends will emerge from the communities. YouTube is YouTube, it's still a heavyweight, and you can track newly published videos and view current public engagement levels for all leading channels. Now, you can also request a site or source be added to NewsWhip Spike if you can't find it or simply want it to be included. You can submit it to our diligent implementation team and they will work on it. Okay, I'll now answer a question that you might have. What about TikTok? Well, isn't that just for young people dancing to a remix of a Louis Theroux rap? That was my poor attempt at referencing an already fading trend. No, of course, TikTok is continuing to grow and data on it is in demand. Recently I read it was reported it's now the default search engine for Gen Z or Z, so we're aware of its importance. Adding additional data sources and improving data quality is a top priority, so future updates include greater web coverage, additional Twitter data, and new social media platform integrations including TikTok and LinkedIn. We're in discussions with TikTok on how to best ingest their data and are inviting key client partners to participate in our TikTok development program. Thanks for watching.